Hello friends, today we are going to create a LaTeX document file using LaTeX software. And here basically what is the meaning of LaTeX? LaTeX is LaTeX is a high quality typesetting system. It includes features designed for the production of technical and scientific documentation. Basically, the LaTeX is used for to create math paper, maths book, and scientific, basically technical and scientific documentation. In easy words, we say like our math book is also is used in print. Our math book is also made from the LaTeX software, and our math paper also is using by LaTeX software. Now from here we see the advantage of the LaTeX software. The advantage of LaTeX software is structure files. In LaTeX software, the files are structured and the user friendly. The LaTeX is also user friendly. From time to time when you started learning, you are able to when to you are able to understand the LaTeX software. Easily converted files. In LaTeX software, the files are easily converted into PDF. It and the fourth point is it is especially useful for typesetting mathematical notation. Basically, in the LaTeX software, when you see our math book, it is contain graphs and graphs, curves, and pictures and equations, and it is basically used for that purposes. And fifth advantage of using latex is it is free, open source, and highly customizable. Of course it is free, and it is open source. You also contribute to latex, and you don't have to pay any fees, and it is, of course, it is free and highly customizable. As you want, as your need, you customize the latex software as per your need. Now we are going to do the right coding in the Overleaf, which is online latex editor. Now from here we are going to the Google, and going to the Google. Now here we are going to the Google and type overleaf as it is come in the Overleaf latex. I simply type, and it is online editor latex. And when I click in the Overleaf online latex editor, now it is first of all we have to log in the latex in the Overleaf. Like my email id is this. Okay, now it is correct. Now we have to make new project. Like click the new project and click the blank project, and put your project name which you want to, like write. I simply write main file and create it. And as you see, like there's a loading. And one there's a many advantage using Overleaf, because it is online edited latex. As you see, there are many code is written already, because I already write in here, like I recompile. Okay, now we are coming here. Okay, in the Overleaf you have to write that the code is here and the output is come in that particular area. Okay, and the Overleaf is also used in your phone. It is highly high. It is used in everywhere, in your PC, in your laptop, in your mobile phones, in smartphones and tab. I simply write document. I starting from document class, and write article. You have to mention, it is compulsory for mention to writing code. Okay, and then I started environment. Like I write begin, and curly braces. Here I write document. And one thing is good in the Overleaf is you are easily, when you click enter, uh, I did a mistake, document. Okay, when I you simply see like when I write begin, it is also recommend me. I click this one, and my environment has created. And please remember, like you have to write the end document. Without writing end document, you are not able to write anything. And when you able to write here, but there is nothing which is print in the next on this side, okay, right side. Simply like we write this is my first latex document. There are two ways to compile this input to output. Here is simply click this, or maybe you have to control plus enter. I click the control plus enter. As you see, it is loading, and it is our first latex document. As you see, this is my first latex document. From here, what we do is like we want to write latex in in a standard form. Like what we do is, this is my first. I seem right above from, like simply I click backslash and write latex. L capital, E small, T capital, E small, and X. Simply you think simply you show see like there's a recommendation using overleaf. Come, and we click enter. And from here, like latex document, click. As you see, like for giving next line, like I want this is my first life or first latex document, start from the next line. What we do is simply give double backslash before this line. We simply compile our code. As you see, like this is my there's a difference between the latex and first line latex and second line latex, because this is the standard form of latex. And you see, like we also zoom in the file. As you see, like there's a no space between the latex and document. We have to create from backslash and comma and recompile. After doing this, as you see, like there is a space between the latex and document. And from here, we want like we want there is a title and date and author name. Simply we click backslash and write title, title. Like I want to write my title name is my first latex latex document. Okay, then we want to write date, sorry, author. We want to write author, and author name is, like I put the name of the author is albert albert jackson albert Jackson, and give the curly braces. After doing this, as you see, and we also gave the date date and give the curly braces, and write the like april april comma 18 2021. So simply close the bracket and recompile. As you see, like there is nothing come, not the author, not the title, and not the date. The thing is, you have to put one command line after begin document is make title. When you write this, the above command is run. Simply like, as you see, like our book name, our title, author, and date is come. Okay, now from here simply we went to the creating font size. Like I want a different font size in my latex document. Okay, from here we start this I want space, I want next paragraph, we simply leave a one line to the next paragraph, like this is my first latex document. We simply write this. Okay, I want to write in the standard form. I want to write latex in the standard form. I simply click latex. Okay, document doc latex document, click, and from here simply I do copy. Okay, and from here I paste it. Okay, this one, like from here, like I want the font size I simply written different font size, different font size. And when we run, as you see, it is coming in the same paragraph. To giving the space, to giving the in the next line, we simply type backslash backslash. Okay, and click in the compile. uh, as you see, like there is a straight line come 1 2 3 4 in a sequence basically. From here what we do is we want there is a vertical space between a different, and this is my first latex document. We will simply type, give the backslash, and write the v space is used for the vertical space, as I write point 0.5 centimeter, and compile. Okay, like as you there is a gap between the different font size, and this is my okay. I forgot to give the double black slash. Okay, now we come here. Okay, simply like I started from here. I want to give a tiny shape to this, like black slash tiny tiny tiny. Okay, tiny, and this is my first latex document. I simply give the number 1 point, and like I want to text my text the font size in tiny. I simply cover and compile. Let's like I write all the font size here, like tiny, script size, footnote size, normal size, large, huge, and let's compile the answer, compile the input. As you see, like there's a difference between the tiny, script size, footnote size, and as our wish we able to give the size able according to our need. Okay, simply like I want to give like I want to give the example like how I write in the text format. This is my first latex document, and it is easily free, and 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 this is my first latex document, and it is easily free, and customizable customizable. After write this, like I want to highlight my, like I want to highlight my this my first latex document into large. what I do is simply give the backslash and put the, like I want to give the LARGE. Simply I write this. Okay, when I compile, okay, this is happen like after this is all the things is come under the large font, and like I want my first latex document is only show large, and after it's come with a normal size. Simply I give a backslash and give the large and normal size simply, and compile. Okay, as you see, like after this is my first latex document is come in the large size, and after it is in normal. I also use from like this. I also use large font size from using begin. Simply gave the environment name is large, like I write this is my first latex document. Okay, and also don't forget to give the end, put the end, and give the curly braces and written the large RGE. Now we want to compile. Okay, now see the result, what happened. Okay, okay, we did a mistake. Okay, we forget to give a backslash, therefore our answer is not come. Here give a backslash and compile our answer. And also, and as you see, like it is come in the large text, we have to give the double slash to start from the next line, double slash, and compile. Okay, it is compiled, and as you see, like this is my first latex document written in the large. Like we want to write the comment in the latex document, then what we do is simply click the percentage button and comment in the latex. As you see, when I run this and see the answer, see the output. Yes, like I write the comment in this latex after the ninth line, but it is not come. But when I clear this percentage and see the answer, as you see, it is come in the comment in the latex. I gave a double backslash for to see you clear, like is written in the comment in the latex. Okay, after doing this, what we do is, as you see, like different styles of the text we written, like in the bold, in the italicized word, in the emphasis, and it is text, italicized text, it is emphasized text, or this is typewriting text. As you see, like see in the different styles of the text, which is simply compile our input into output. As you see, like this is our slant height, and this is our normal text, and this is our underline text. We also simply use combine styles in the one in one line. Like we want a bold text under, and there is also underline below the text. First we write curly braces. We simply write curly braces and give the backslash and simply type text pf given a boldface, and simply make also in the curly braces we also entered the simply underline and give our text like this. is a free software, and then we simply compile our code into that output. Okay, this is a free software. We did a mistake somewhere. We have also give a curly braces bracket under the outside the text. Okay, simply like we write this and simply compile our code, and as you see, okay, this is our output. And from here we went to the second part, is our equation. Thank you for watching the whole video. Like, subscribe and share.